Welcome to our demonstration of advanced robotic sanding. Today, we're showcasing how this cutting-edge system can sand multiple boards, no matter their size, with remarkable speed and precision. We'll start by placing two boards onto the work surface. Notice that they're not aligned right at the edges. They actually extend beyond what we'd consider a traditional 24 by 48-inch limit. This is possible thanks to a virtual limit that lets you go bigger than the standard dimensions, ensuring overhanging boards still get a perfect, consistent sand. Once we press start, the robot goes to work immediately. You'll see it automatically map out the sanding pattern for each board, whether it's a single piece, a pair of boards, or a whole set of smaller pieces. Long planks, short panels. This system tackles them all. The robot just finished sanding the first board and is seamlessly moving on to the second. It scans the dimensions, handles any overhang, and applies uniform pressure throughout. After each sanding cycle, the robot returns to its home position, ready for the next board. You're free to run multiple grits or even different surface finishes, whatever your project requires. One piece flow, but sanding isn't stopping. Pick the first piece when done, and robot will keep on sanding the second door. No need to move vacuum cups, no more alignment needed. With vacuum tables, just place and start sanding. As you can see, both boards were fully sanded in about 40 seconds. Throughout the process, the system constantly monitors and displays real-time force data, ensuring a smooth and even finish every time. Once the sanding cycle is complete, simply remove your boards and place them wherever they need to go. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more demonstrations of our robotic sanding technology, where efficiency meets precision and innovation shapes the future of woodworking.